Alright, we're going to do the new truck review. We're done with the Fords. And there's the new whip.
The new whip.
Silverado. Tell me a little bit about it.
Got about a week ago. It's got 33s, 2015 style tow mirrors, dual performance exhaust, cold air state. It's got a
tune with
380 HP,
almost 400 horse. Start her up.
Them Silverados.
Yeah, we got Ricky over there.
Already a member of the Cone Life.
Cone Life?
Take a ride.
Yeah. I'm going to actually stand out in the driveway. Subwoofer, both speakers all the way around, head unit, seat covers,
Cone Life.
LED lights.
Right here with the window down.
Alright. Take it for a rip.
Get in, shit. Take it down the road quick. Day out, but
Yeah.
pretty much it. No more Ford.
Nope. Ford didn't last too long.
Nope, a couple months.
Yeah, it was fun on the road then.
What are you doing to it next?
Some smoked out headlights, tail lights, and all LED lights, interior and exterior.
Give it a couple romps and we get in the driveway. When my neighbor gets his tuner fixed, he'll probably have about 400 horse. We're gonna put the tune on it again. And then soon my truck, the red one over there, is going to get a new engine in it with a thumper cam, headers, and a tuner, so it should be pushing like 350, 400 horse. New tires coming on it soon too. Took my other ones off because they were shot. Baby.
Pretty much about yeah, in the truck. Be more videos of different upgrades we do. How to videos, unboxing.
We'll have a lot coming soon.
Weekly videos.
Stay tuned and subscribe.